Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will learn how to find out the summation of interior angles of a polygon. So we can start from the triangle, and the formula for finding out the summation of interior angle is n minus 2 multiplied with 180 degree. Here n is the number of sides. So if it is a triangle, the value for n will be 3, and if it is a quadrilateral, the value for n will be 4. Similarly, for pentagon, the value of n will be 5. For hexagon, the value of n will be 6. Because triangle is a 3-sided polygon, quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon, pentagon is a 5-sided polygon, and hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. So let's calculate how to find out the summation of interior angles of a triangle. So the value will be n equal 3. So we can write n minus 2 multiply with 180 degree. And here we have to write 3 minus 2 multiply with 180. 1 multiply 180. And the final value is 180 degree. We all know that the summation of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This value comes from this formula, n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. Then we can discuss about quadrilateral. We all know that a 4-sided polygon is quadrilateral. The formula is same. The formula is n minus 2 multiply with 180 degree. And the value for n will be here 4. 4 minus 2 multiply with 180 degree. 4 subtract 2, that will be 2. 2 multiply 180 degree. And the result will be 360 degree. The summation of total interior angles for quadrilateral is 360 degree. Then we will discuss about pentagon, which is a 5-sided polygon. I have measured the 5 angles here. I get 2 angles are 90 degree and 90 degree, and other 3 angles are 140 degree, one is 74 degree, and another one is 146 degree. And if we calculate, or if we add all 5 angles, we will get 540 degree. But how does this come? The formula is n minus 2 multiplied with 180 degree. And the result will be, for pentagon, the value for n is 5. 5 minus 2 multiply with 180 degree. We will get here 3 multiply with 180 degree, and the value is 540 degree. Now if we add all 5 angles, just like 146 degree, 140 degree, then 90 degree, another 90 degree, and 74 degree, what will be the value? We just verify our answer whether it will be 540 degree or not. So if we add 6 with 4, that will be 10. Remain 1. 1 plus 4, 5. And 4, 9. 9 nines, 18. 27. 27 and 7. That is 34. So 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. So we get the same result here, and that is 540 degree. Then we can discuss about hexagon, which is a 6-sided polygon. We all know that hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. So the formula is same, n minus 2 multiply with 180 degree. Here the value for n will be 6. So we can write 6 minus 2 multiply with 180 degree. The value will be 4 multiply with 180 degree, and the final result will be 720 degree. So the summation of the total interangles of a hexagon will be 720 degree. Now, if this hexagon is a regular polygon, we have discussed in our previous tutorial what is a regular polygon. A regular polygon is one in which all its sides and all its angles are equal. So, if it is a regular hexagon, we can easily calculate the each angle. Just like this. This is not a regular polygon because we can see the two angles are similar but other three angles are different. That's why it is an irregular polygon. But if this is a regular hexagon or regular polygon, we can easily calculate each angle. And what is the formula? The formula for each interior angle for a regular polygon is the sum of the interior angles divided by the number of sides. That means sum of the interior angles, that means n minus 2 multiplied with 180 degree. And the number of sides, if we consider hexagon, the number of sides will be 6. So we can easily calculate. So the formula is n minus 2 multiplied with 180 degree divided by the number of sides, that is n. We get for hexagon the summation of total interior angles is 720 degree and the number of sides is 6. The result will be 120 degree because 6 12 is 72 and 0. So 120 degree. So we can say this angle is 120 degree. This is also 120 degree. This is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. This one is 120 degree. And finally, this one will be also 120 degree if it is a regular hexagon. So in this tutorial, we learn how to find out the summation of the interior angles of a polygon. And if the polygon is a regular polygon, how to find out the each angle of that regular polygon. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.